Morgan here. It's been a long time since you guys have seen me, but today I wanted to show you guys my day. I don't really vlog, so this is a little bit different from me. I mean, I used to back in the day, but you know, that was like a couple years back. But today I just want to kind of show you guys how my day is. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym. I'm gonna do probably mainly focusing on glutes and hamstrings, and I may throw in a little bit of quads, like maybe 1 to 2 exercises. So I'll go ahead and show you that, and then I'll show you guys kind of my business, because I dropped a video and then I never really talked about it. But I have some orders that I need to go ahead and package and ship out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and just, you know, see where I've been. Quarantine has just been like really, it's been weird, and I think it's been weird for everybody. And it's I wouldn't say like I've lost motivation for YouTube. I've just found more motivation in like other things, such as like starting my business. That was something that I had really thought about last March, and for months and months and months, I was just coming up with like, what do I want to do? What's my name? How am I going to do this? And it was really one of my friends who kind of motivated me to go ahead and start, and that's what I did. And so I opened up in October. So yeah, that's what my motivation has been, because I found a new love for sewing again. So I've been making bonnets, and people have been really loving them. And then I've been making like other handmade items. I made lip gloss. I just released a Valentine's collection. So it comes with this lip gloss, which is the Cupid lip gloss. It's a pink tint, but obviously you could see it goes on pretty clear. But maybe if you're fair skin, you might see a little bit of a tint. And then I have my Valentine's Day bonnet. Let me go ahead, let me show you. I really like how they turned out. Okay. So this is my bonnet. It is a red and pink, and it is reversible, so you could flip it inside out and wear it either way. So I think that's really cute, and a lot of people have been really liking it. And I even added my little tag, my Marikai official. So I added that on my bonnets, and I really like it. It's really soft, and it's been keeping my hair protected at night. It doesn't slip off, which I've really had a big problem with, like bonnets slipping off and just like going across the room. So that's a good thing with these bonnets. They don't slip off. They're super soft. They're super good material. Like, this is like quality satin material, like not that Walmart cheap stuff. So go ahead and check it out. I'll have my website listed down below. See how you guys like it. Go ahead and copy you guys a few items. And honestly, all of my items are packaged with love. I really like when I get orders to just really make me happy. I love seeing people support my business, and I like doing the same thing for others as well. So yeah, that's just how my quarantine has been going, you know, working on the business and then working, you know, my corporate job. We've been working from home. So it's like really nothing to record. And then I really recently started picking up the motivation to go back in the gym, because I actually, I'm doing the Gymshark 66 challenge, and I have it on my fridge. I don't know if I could turn it. This is my phone, but we'll see. It's upside down. All right, you know, it's whatever. Okay, anyway, this is my Gymshark 66. Practice yoga and meditation every day. Train consistently 3 to 5 times a week. Cook and eat more healthier foods, and never give up. And of course, if you want to go ahead and follow my Instagram, this is my fitness Instagram, which is morgan.arielh fit. So that's just where I post my videos. I've been really posting kind of what I eat, and you know, just recording what workouts that I do in the gym. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. I'll go ahead and head out and go to the gym and show you guys some of my workouts. Hope you guys like it. All right, y'all, so I just got to the gym. I need to make sure I have everything. I got my water. So this water bottle I just picked up from Amazon. I think it was like $12. But basically it has like, I don't even know if you can see that at all, but it has like time markers. So I should have really started drinking water at like 7. So that's 7, and then it goes all the way down to 12 p.m. Well, really 1 p.m. And then you fill it back up, and then it goes from, well, it goes from 1 p.m. to, I guess, 6. I don't know, but I try to drink. You really should be drinking, I think, like half your body weight in ounces. So technically I would really need to drink about 70 or 80 ounces. So this is a 32-ounce bottle. So honestly, if I fill it up twice, that's what, 32 times 2, that's 64, and then I would only maybe need half of this. But on a good day, I'll drink about 4 of these, and what I mean by that is like I'll fill it up twice. So yeah, I have this, and then I have some cucumbers and some lemon. It just makes the water a lot easier to drink. And then there's this cute gold lid, so I'll go ahead and link it down below if it's still in stock, because I think when I did have it, it was out of stock. And then I have my headphones, and then I got this really cute case from a small business. I found her on TikTok, and I was following her for a while, and I went ahead and supported her, so I'll go ahead and leave her stuff down below. She packages all of her orders, or most of her orders, on TikTok, and she's just like, I just really like what the small businesses are doing. You know, ever since I became a small business, I like to support my own. So let me go ahead. I've been taking some pre-workout, and this is the one that I take. This is Optimum Nutrition on Gold. I don't know what it's really called, because I have the same whey protein in this, but I think it's just called Optimum Nutrition. And this is the flavor Blueberry Lemonade. Honestly, I wish I would have gotten a shaker bottle, because usually I just dry scoop. But I think for leg day, usually like when I dry scoop, it doesn't really last the whole workout. So if I'm sipping on constantly during my workout, it's just, it helps me when I'm doing workouts, because I don't want to be tired by the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry scoop this. Oh my gosh. Dry scooping isn't bad, you just have to know how to do it. But that one is just, the lemonade part just gets me, because it's just so, it's so tart, like really sweet. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I should have took that maybe about 10 minutes ago, but it'll allow me time when I'm working out for it to kick in. And then I have my gloves, and then I have my band. This is from Mari Fitness. I think I got this, it was on sale. I got her guide, her home workout guide, and then I got both of her bands. One is a small, one is a large. This is the large band, because the small one is just way too small for me, because I have hips and it's too much resistance. All right, so I need to hurry up. What time is it? It's almost 11 o'clock, so I'm probably not gonna be done with the gym until like 12:30 or 1, probably 1. And then my gym requires mask. This is the same mask that I got from the girl from the TikTok video from here. And then I also have a purple one. So they're really, really cute. but this one is more subtle when I'm wearing it in the gym. When I wore this one in the gym, people were just staring at me, and I was just like, yeah, it is kind of out there, but it's still cute though. I'll wear it maybe like when I'm going out or something, not really like to the gym, because I don't want to mess that one up either. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my shoes and then get everything out, and then I'll see you guys in the gym. Okay, so I just got home from the gym, and honestly, I'm starving. So I'm going to do this recipe that I tried out yesterday. It's called egg roll in a bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat that. Finished. It's honestly super quick. Like, I think that took me maybe 10 minutes. Honestly, if I wasn't filming, like, I could have been done with that in like, yeah, about 10 minutes. I don't even know who I'm trying to fool. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, grab my laptop, and probably watch like the originals. I've been watching the originals a lot lately. Honestly, I love the Vampire Diaries, and I know the originals was like a spin-off and it came out, but I never really, I'm gonna be honest, I never really liked the original vampires. I thought they were annoying, and I'm just like, okay, like they're just doing the most. And when I found out they had their own show, I'm like, okay, nobody's gonna watch that. And people were like, oh no, the originals is definitely better than Vampire Diaries. So I'm watching it. At first it was really boring, like it was really dry, and sometimes in episodes it is. Like I can only watch a couple episodes at a time, but I'm on season, I think 3. No, 2 or 3. 2. I don't know what season I'm on, but it's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat, watch the originals, and honestly, I need to go ahead and clean up the room because I have a lot of clothes to fold, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do laundry, and then I'll have more clothes to fold. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those clothes away before I get even more, and